it seemed like for a long time in these meetings was like it was only available to be in when I am with others. But somehow I've noticed that when we are here, and then what I'm resting in it is just myself. And so then somehow when I am just by myself, it is like if I also know that I am there, if I also acknowledge myself in my bodily experience, then somehow I'm starting to, it's like I rest in myself, like the kangaroo babies, like they rest in the big kangaroo, and then that is what it like. I that is what it feels like lately when I'm by myself. At first, there are sometimes I feel like, oh, I am forgetting myself, and then if I notice that, then I remember, and then it is like the bodily me, my person. It is like it is resting in myself, just like when I am here. But it feels currently anyway. It feels like a big kangaroo. Like there's like there is a lot of restfulness in it, and it is the same. It is like it is more. I mean, it is more enjoyable personally when there are other people also doing the same thing, and there is something like, you know, like stronger, or I don't know if that is the right word, but there's something more like focused. But it is the same, the way that I'm noticing it anyway, lately.
But this verification is absolutely necessary. That can really go beyond anything that we can imagine about the possibilities of our life. It is not linear. But I just want to emphasize, of course, the discovery of this for oneself is what we want. It is, you could say, it is the aim. I do not wish to be dependent on any individual or group of individuals to be knowing myself. That is only a requirement temporarily. But once you know yourself, and you will always be finding people that are interested in that. Always. It is not people, it is consciousness wanting to know itself. But to be a little baby kangaroo and a big kangaroo is a very apt image. I am both. I am the little Joey, the little kangaroo, and I'm also the mother kangaroo simultaneously. I am carrying myself around. Nourishing myself. Here it is different because we nourish each other. In a way, we are nourished. We have more energy to amplify the truth of ourselves.
I had this happen this week as well. I took myself on a walk without my dogs for a change, and there was something about just being present with myself and finding everywhere was there. And like, oh my gosh, I am by myself and still able to be everywhere there with everyone and everything. And it was just like, this is happening and I'm by myself. Like not knowing that I could ever get there. I had all these blocks in my head that it wasn't possible to have that experience by myself, which I wasn't, but I was. I don't know. I just became so grateful to all the times that I have been with other people pointing in that direction. It just was so much gratitude. Pointing there over and over.
There's no other way. In a way, we are all like little dogs in that Zen story where there's a teacher there and the dog is with the teacher and the teacher points to the moon. Look, dog. And then the dog looks at the tip of the finger. No, there. And the dog keeps looking. What? Yes, it's that. No, there. The dog is like, what? How wonderful. You see, it is a cause for celebration. Nothing will be the same. Then I can learn to stand, to recognize and taste my own authority of being there. And if any experience comes there to molest me, I will stand strong. No, I am not this.
This is going to sound weird, but I don't know. I have judgments against these words I'm about to say. But, in poetry, when you come across a phrase like the lover's gaze, I have a new understanding of what that means. This, when you're really seen, and it just goes by so fast, but you can feel it go by.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Why are there judgments against this? I don't
know, yeah. Oh, that's what a lover's gaze means.
Yeah. How nice. The lover's gaze is upon us always. It is not the result of a satisfaction of a condition. It is not a function of any sort of deed, whether it's considered to be good or bad. It does not have a beginning, and therefore it does not have an end. I'm there always gazing upon myself. The more I can really enter into this as, you could say, a form of cultivating this truth of this gaze, this expands the perspective of my, you could say, individuality beyond my person, while I still have a person that appears to me. So this is a form of death, because death will bring a final expansion of that sense of individuality, and that will not return.